Russian Aerospace Forces, missile troops and artillery, launch massive fire attacks at the units of the armed forces of Ukraine at all operational directions. 8 Ukrainian tanks, 13 infantry combat vehicles, 11 other armored vehicles, and over 150 Ukrainian servicemen have been eliminated within unsuccessful offensive of the 24th, the 28th Mechanized, the 46th Air Mobile, and the 60th Infantry Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Myrnoe, Sukhoy Stavok, Belogorka, Bruskinskoye, Olgino in Kherson region, and Ternovy Pody in Nikolaev region at the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aviation at the temporary deployment points of the 53rd, the 54th, and the 110th Mechanized Brigades, the 128th Territorial Defense Brigade, and the 68th Infantry Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Seversk, Verkhnekamenskoye, Nikolskoye, Avdiivka, Novokalinovo, Petrovsk,